Happy December 1st. You know what that means. My beginner fitness challenge starts right now. There's 31 days left in 2022. I can't believe it. We're about to wrap up the year. I filmed a lot of challenges this year and I appreciate everyone who participated. The theme for this month is a 2022 recap. In the next 31 days, we're gonna recap some of the best and most effective beginner workouts that you learned this year. Every day, you're gonna do a different workout, so you're not gonna be repeating them in a cycle this month. If you've been participating in my challenges, this is a great way to gauge how far you've come this year. Or if this is the first time you're participating, this is a good way to dip your feet in the water and try all these fresh new workouts. We're covering everything from head to toe, literally, mobility, strength, cardio. We got calm workouts, more intense ones. We have some workouts on the bed, on the couch, you name it, it's there. It's a 31-day challenge, a different workout every single day. You're gonna enjoy it. Go to justinagustin.com. The challenge is right there under December challenge. If you're not a member yet, sign up today. It's totally worth it. Let's finish this year strong. I'm so excited for you to get started. Let's go.